Hey, this is Brandon with MyPOVGuitar. I'm going to do things a little different today. Did Phoebe Bridgers and Jimmy Fallon just save music and late night talk shows all in one fell swoop? Maybe that's a little dramatic, but not since Elliott Smith performing at the Oscars in 1998 have I seen a musical televised performance that moved me like Phoebe Bridgers did this past week on The Tonight Show. So for the first time ever, Fallon didn't announce the musical guest. It was a surprise guest, right? And it ends up being Phoebe Bridgers performing Lost Boys off her upcoming album, Lost Weekend, that comes out in August. I've seen the video, the official video for Lost Boys, so I wanted to check it out. First, there's the subject matter of the song, okay? Lost Boys, never grow up, never grow old. And people have debated on, is this about a particular person or life on the road, being a musician? But the whole concept of never wanting to grow up, never really becoming anything more than you are in this moment. And of course, you have the Peter Pan reference and Lost Boys, the book and movie as well. So you kind of get the gist of what the song is about. Well, here's where the brilliance of The Tonight Show comes in with the camera work. So when it's time for Phoebe to come on, he announces it, and it's a tight shot of her face. And then it zooms out to reveal who is her backing band. So Phoebe's band this night are kids ranging from 8 to 14 years old. And before you say, oh, it's a prop, they're playing to a backing track. Man, if you play music, you know when somebody's really playing, right? And I would like to think that Phoebe Bridgers is above that anyway. The first indication is the drummer, okay? You can't fake the drums. I mean, he's actually playing that. I mean, he looks like little Dave Grohl beating this drum, but he's hitting exactly the beats in the song. The other great indication is the bass player and the runs high up the neck that she's doing. Then there's the harmonies. Watch how the harmonies go from the to the kid on the right singing with Phoebe in this beautiful high harmony part. But I don't believe that. I still wonder how you're sleeping. I don't feel bad. And let's look at that drummer again. And if you notice in the song, Phoebe is strumming the chords that she's playing, but you hear finger picking, you hear arpeggios happening. Well, that's the kid with the 12 string. In the morning, you are not there. So this is a beautiful work of art, both for the television episode and a live performance. Performing Lost Boys with this group of kids who are spectacular musicians. It really drives home the meaning of the song, and the great camera work from the Tonight Show crew just added to it. And Fallon is as talented as he is. I know he had a large hand in this. And I just think it's one of the best moments of live music on television that I've seen in my lifetime. Then there's night 2, where Fallon does the same thing. The musical guest is not announced, and Phoebe comes back to do an acoustic version of Lost Boys. And the same genius camera work is being utilized in this one. The set is subdued, it's at night, it's much darker for the acoustic version. And Phoebe shows us that Lost Boys, in fact, do get old.
Lost boys never grow up, never grow old.
This wouldn't be my POV guitar without a little lesson thrown in here. So for my beginner guitar enthusiasts who are worried that they only know cowboy chords at the moment, that's what Phoebe's playing in here.
At one time in East Berlin,
So I hope this inspires you. This has inspired me. For one, seeing the next generation pick up instruments, because it's not as prevalent as it was when I was a kid. Everything's so fast now, kids don't seem to care. If you just look around, it's like they don't care to pick up an instrument. Some do. And some are better than us adults. So as music lovers, this should inspire us that there's still art being made that is relevant and speaks to the heart and is still mainstream. This is awesome. Did Jimmy Fallon and Phoebe Bridgers just save music? Probably not, but man, they've sure given me hope. We'll see you in the next lesson.